Building a high-performance gaming PC for 8K gaming is an exciting challenge. Start with the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X 3D, boasting 16 cores and a boost clock of 5.7 GHz, perfect for multitasking and gaming. Pair it with the powerhouse NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, delivering stunning visuals and unmatched performance. For the motherboard, the Asus ROG Crosshair X670E Hero offers robust features and compatibility. Don't skimp on memory. G.Skill's 64GB DDR5-6000 ensures smooth gameplay. A Samsung 990 Pro 2TB NVMe SSD guarantees lightning-fast load times. Power it all with the Corsair AX 1600 IPSU for stability, and keep your CPU cool with the Corsair ICUE H150i liquid cooler. The Lianli PC011 case provides excellent airflow, while Windows 11 Pro optimizes your gaming experience. All this adds up to around $5,672. Remember, compatibility is key, so double-check your components. Happy building!